In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 200 Hollow Purple in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to pull off the 200% Hollow Purple, also known as the Hollow Purple Nuke or Gojo's Nuke. So, in order to pull this off, you will have to be in your awakened form. As you might be aware, when you are awakened, the base moveset is enhanced, and all of your skills will have different and more flashy effects, including the most important one that we have to use to set up the Hollow Purple Nuke. So, if you look at Lapse Blue, it is going to be enhanced into Lapse Blue Max. The way the enhancement works is that now it is going to unleash a blue ball or a blue orb that sucks everything in. And the most important part is if someone dies inside of the Lapse Blue Max orb, it is going to linger. So as you can see in these clips that I'm showing you, usually after you shoot Lapse Blue Max orb, it simply goes away. However, if someone dies within that orb, it is going to linger in place instead. And this is extremely important to set up the Hollow Purple Nuke. Once you kill or defeat someone with the Lapse Blue Max orb and it is floating into place, you have a window and you need to shoot the Reversal Red Max aimed at it to create a Hollow Nuke. If you shoot the Reversal Red Max skill into this Lapse Blue Max orb that is lingering, it is immediately going to create the Hollow Nuke. Keep in mind that this costs the entire Awakening bar, so if you want to be as effective as possible while using the 200% Hollow Purple, just wait until the end of your Awakening, find someone with low health, shoot a Lapse Blue Max orb, and if it kills them and it's lingering into place, just shoot a Reversal Red Max, and immediately the nuke will begin generating and it's going to explode, taking your awakening state away, and it can also damage you, so be careful. I hope I was able to help you on how to use 200% Hollow Purple. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.